just ask you real quick, just from a broader question. I've done 4 games this year, and just like the spread started to catch fire about 10 years ago, and the tempo and RPO, it seems we're seeing more and more defenses go to what you just said, 3-2-6 with 6 DBs, or 3-3-5, 5 DBs. The concept of 3 guys deep, 5 guys underneath, keep it in front of you, rally to the football. What do you think about that potential trend in the game? I'm calling the Arkansas-Georgia game today. Arkansas implements it. Seems like it's everywhere right now in the sport.
Right. Well, when you play that system, really the entire spread and what it's sort of geared to read and beat, that scheme kind of takes away all those things because you have an extra player. You have more depth in the defense, so you have an extra player in the back end. So some of those holes that are there when you run, a zone read, RPO slant, well, there's a guy sitting in the slant because he's really not playing linebacker. He's an extra DB. So I think you could see more and more of that type of defense, especially against teams that are really spread, take the large, big splits, make you sort of defend horizontally and vertically both, because that kind of takes some of that away because of the depth of the defense.
Nick,